welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to screen record in Macbook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Macbook does not have an inbuilt screen recorder. However, you need to have a third-party screen recorder app to screen record yourself on your MacBook. So here I have Screen Recorder Go as my third-party app which helps me screen record in my MacBook. So similarly, you can download one from your App Store as well. Simply tap on App Store and in the search bar you need to type in screen recorder. So once you find the search bar, simply type in the word screen recorder and you can find several other options of screen recorders that are currently available in your MacBook to get downloaded. So simply select any of the screen recorder you want, and once you have downloaded it, it will now help you screen record in your MacBook. So this is how you can do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our next video.